You too, what's good? Welcome to Chiefs Fan Center. Please like and subscribe. So we've just lost 2-1 to Orlando Pirates in the derby. Orlando Pirates 2, Kaiser Chiefs 1 at FNB Stadium in a very good game. Well, one thing I'll say, guys, about the result, yeah, well, I'll never want Chiefs to win the game, but if you won today's game, I'm happy that you lost the game today. I'm very happy that Kaiser Chiefs lost the game today because if we won the game, you know the players get very cocky when they win the derby. Yeah, but they beat Sundowns and then the following week they lose to Marmot Gallants or they draw with Chipper United. Yeah, well, I'm very happy that we lost the game because because we were going to get very cocky. Our players were going to get very cocky. So today at least we lost, and we didn't lose 3 or 4 0. We lost 2-1, and we lost in a manner which is very respectable. Yeah, well, the goals we conceded were very bad, but we lost in a very respectable manner because we could see that Pirates was there for the taking. Yeah, well, we played pound for pound with Pirates. We didn't defend like we did in the first round in March. Yeah, well, I believe that we could see that we can actually go pound for pound with Pirates, play a very attractive and attacking football. Yeah, well, it's just that today the front four didn't do very well, particularly Lelebo, Serino, Bule Modi, and the right wing today. Was it Serino, Mdu, Modi and Lelebo? They didn't do very well today. Yeah, but the wingers, every time they got the ball, Mdu and Modi, they got the ball, took the first touches very well, but they're always going back. They never. Shandu was there for the taking. Bandile Shandu was there for the taking, and we didn't take him on. Yeah, well, at least we saw Paseko Mago was worked today, but Bandile Shandu wasn't worked, and he's a guy who's very weak defensively. Yeah, well, Solomons and whoever's playing right wing, they tried to get they tried to expose Paseko Mago. Even had to be subbed off. Yeah, but so I'm very happy that attacking players on the right hand side we played very well. Yeah, but Modi and Mtushalala, I'm very disappointed. Lelebo failing his audition as a striker. Once again, Lelebo getting an early goal in a big game like last week in Marmot Gallants, and he ghosted. He ghosted in throughout the whole game. Yeah, well, his first touches, his hold-up play isn't of a number 9. He's just hold, guys. He can't play number 9. And even if he is a number 9, he's a very bad number 9. Yeah, well, absolutely bad performance from Lelebo as a striker. The midfield too, Ngobo and Mount, very good play, very good combination. I think they did very well. I think the only thing that cost us was the front line. Yeah, but the back four, flawless. The back four, flawless. Kunika, Cross, you can't blame Cross for the red card, guys. You can't blame Cross for the red card. He slips and it happens, but he held his own against Ngota. Ngota had all the space in the world, but Bradley Cross held his own. I'm very proud of Bradley Cross, and we'll have David to go left back next week and Miguel to play centre back. So I'm very happy with the back four. Guinica, solid. Njayam, if you're watching this, you're a solid player. Yeah, but coming back from 6-7 months out of not playing and starting game out of the blue all of a sudden, that's very good. Yeah, well, Solomon's also good assist from Solomon's today, and this is confidence, guys. Yeah, well, I know every derby has its own individual importance. Yeah, well, but sorry. But I'd rather lose this game than the final next week. Yeah, well, that's why if we won this game, I was going to be very unlikely we're going to win the game next week. At least this week, so good. Paris can be there for the taking. Yeah, well. So me, I'm not happy with losing, but I'm happy with the manner that we played today. Yeah, but we lost respectable. We fell on our swords today. Obviously, we can blame players and do whatever. If there's no Nedbank Cup final next week, we're complaining a lot, but confidence has to be high, guys. We take the positives away from this game because we've got a very big game next week, and you can't be saying so much is bad. You can't say Busu Vuma is what. Yeah, but on Busu Vuma, guys, very bad goalkeeper, very bad goalkeeper. Yeah, well, obviously he brings no confidence into the back line. Yeah, well, when he doesn't come out of his line, doesn't come out of his box to collect the ball when Pirates through balls, doesn't bring confidence in the back line and it costs the team. Yeah, well, when you're building a keeper, Lindo Pep said this on Itiski TV a few weeks back. When you're building a team, guys, the first thing that you look at is the goalkeeper. Yeah, well, that's why goalkeepers in Europe, I support Man United, I watch Premier League, Alisson, De Gea, Edison, Courtois. These guys have been at Real Madrid, Man United for years because the goalkeeper, when you keep them there, it's a position where you have to trust someone. Yeah, but you need someone who can stay there for years and years to come. That's why goalkeepers don't get chopped and changed a lot. Yeah, but that's why Bruce Vuma has been starting a lot of games. Yeah, but a goalkeeper is the foundation of a team, and Bruce Vuma can't be the foundation of Kaizer Chiefs. He's way below the level required to be a Kaizer Chiefs goalkeeper. He can play for a chip or be a backup goalkeeper, but as a starter, he brings no confidence, guys. Nabi also, I like to talk about Nabi, Coach Nabi. The stuff that you made, my guy, today were very late, very late, Jabo. One thing I'll say is that I think you have one eye on next week. he has one eye on next week, Coach Nabi, because Taylor on the bench and Miguel on the bench, it just shows Uti. Those are two of our very best players. It shows that he's got his mind on next week. There's no need to rush Thabo Xele if he's got an injury this game. You no need to rush Miguel if there's an injury this week. Yeah, but next week we will have Duba, we will have Thabo Xele, we will have Inaso Miguel. We will have our starting players, guys. Yeah, but we played Pirates with a semi-fit A team. Yeah, but we don't have Dot, we don't have Miguel, we don't have Xele, we don't have Duba. Our best players are injured, and we still managed to dominate Pirates in that first half, and to some extent in the second half. Yeah, well, so I'm very happy with how Kaizer Chiefs played, guys. Guys, there's no need to be angry and all that, guys. I'm very happy, guys. Bruce Ovuma is a bad goalkeeper, but what's there more to do, guys? We have to support these guys. Next week is a fucking cup final. It's an effing cup final. Yeah, but support the boys and let's just push, guys. Yeah, well, let's dive into the player ratings, guys. It's at 6 minutes. Okay. Bruce Ovuma, I'll give him a 4, guys. Not good enough for me for a goalkeeper. I don't trust him as a goalkeeper. But what can you say? What can you say about Bruce Ovuma? I can't trust him as a goalkeeper, but it is what it is, man. All the best for the cup final next week. Bruce Ovuma, switch off social media and focus. Yeah, well, don't go to the media and saying I don't care what Kune says about me. What, and then after Kune says that, you make a mistake against Mamokala and saying you had 12 the goals this week. Yeah, well, and then this guy he makes a save, ne? He makes a save, ne? And then Osha so Nazi like it's your job it's your job to make a save. Yeah, but as if he's not getting paid for that. Come on, Bruce Ovuma, you're a joke, my guy. Cross, I'll give him a 5 because it's going to be a 6, but 5. Obviously got the red card. I'm happy with Mlungu. Like Cross, dog, like he can be a good player, but I saw today. Obviously, it wasn't like the cloak and Dotlian Kota last week in the last game, but he held his own. He held his own, guys. And then Dove, I'll give him a 5. I'll give him a 5. Yeah, well, he got destroyed by Nkota Day. He got destroyed by Nkota Day, but it is what it is. And then the centre back again, Quinika, I'll give him a 6. Yeah, well, I think Quinika just like based off like mentally ways being benched for 8 months, 9 months. Yeah, but being blamed under the Nseki era, under the Atazwani era. Yeah, but being benched the whole time under Nabi and coming back into the team and performing very good, honestly, for me over the past 3 or 4 weeks. Pagamis. And then the right back, Solomon, 6. Got the assist. Yeah, about 6.5 even. 6.5 for Solomon's. Amazing performance from the boy. Yeah, well, and then the CDM was it Mount 6, held the midfield very well. Interception wise, obviously the passing more or less, yeah, but he had a very good performance as a Chiefs captain. Yeah, but he showed just enough that he's a leader. He is a leader, yeah, but. And then Kosibilang Mobile 6, guys, yeah, very good technical on the midfield, dominated the midfield today. That midfield 2 worked, yeah, but Nabi was very smart in picking those 2 in the midfield today. Yeah, but Thabo Xele is not the reason why we lost the game today. Yeah, but it was the front 4. Onto the front 4 at the number 10, Mdu. We take Mdu like around the first touch like the way he carries the ball, but he didn't do much attacking wise, guys. We just recycled the ball. Yeah, but we didn't provide an attacking threat along the Pirates back line. Yeah, but left wing, did I give him to a 4? I know I'll give him a 5. I said 5. I'm sorry. Left wing was who? Was Pule Modi. 5. They didn't take Banile Shandu on a lot. 5. Disappointing from Pule Modi. One of our best wingers, but it is what it is, man. The striker was Lelepo, 6 for the goal, but 5 for his overall performance. But I'll give him a 6 for the goal. He filled his audition as a striker, yeah, bro. Filled his audition as a striker. The right wing also was who played right wing today? Serino 4. Didn't do 5. I'll give him a 5, yeah, bro. Serino, like I don't know what's going on with him, guys. I don't know what's going on with him. I'm very confused with Serino, but it is what it is, man. Please like and subscribe. I'm out. On the Bank Cup semi-final. Wait, Tuesday, 2 o'clock match preview. Love, guys.